Superior Court, they feel dissatisfied by the court
decision on the matter.
Do we take a date for pre-trial? Mr. Dollar, have you heard what counsel has that the court makes the following orders? The preliminary objection dated 20 May 2026 is dismissed. The applicant's notice of motion dated 25th of May 2026 is allowed. A temporary injunction is hereby issued to the respondent, his agents, servants, or anyone acting under his authority from accessing, protecting, removing or burying the remains of the deceased Rachel Wandeto pending determination of the suit. Montezuma Funeral Home Limited shall release the remains of the deceased to the applicant for the purposes of burial. The applicant shall undertake the burial arrangements pending the final determination of the suit. This being a family matter, each party will bear their own costs.
You already agree that counsel is training himself to the date.
Your Honor has said that he is opposed.
Yes, he's opposed.
Koguo tuonania wega igoti-inĩ kwamba ũyũ egwĩtwo Peter Jaraba ithe wa ciana ici cia Rachel ndekĩte maũndũ step iria ciagĩrĩirwo cia kũhikania na ũndũire ndekĩte guo, na koguo igoti rĩa mũima mwĩrĩ na rĩahe nyina wake na rĩera Montezuma release Montezuma Funeral Home release mwĩrĩ ũcio kwĩ Peter Jaraba no release mwĩrĩ ũcio Sarah Wandeto our client nigetha mathi na mbere na mathiko.
Wa mbere nĩ gũcokeria Ngai witũ ngatho kũringana na mahoya marĩa tũmũhoete nigetha atwarane na cira ũyũ kinya mũthia na nigetha twĩtĩkĩrio gũthika mwana witũ Rachel Wandeto kũringana na ũndũire wa Ũgĩkũyũ.